Neon Bank continues to stand out as one of the most practical digital banking options for anyone who wants real value from everyday spending. Their cashback and reward structure is simple, transparent, and designed to give users instant benefits without complicated conditions or hidden restrictions. The first major advantage is Neon Bank's unlimited cashback on eligible purchases. Every time you use your Neon card for qualifying transactions, you earn a percentage back directly into your account. There are no caps, no rotating categories, and no minimum spend requirements. Whether you're paying for groceries, transportation, meals, or online services, the cashback reflects automatically, making it easy to track your savings in real time. Neon also partners with multiple brands to offer enhanced cashback rates. These partnered deals often give users boosted percentages, turning regular spending into solid returns. Instead of point systems that require conversions, Neon keeps the rewards in dollars so you immediately understand the value you're receiving. Another key benefit is Neon Bank's cashback on subscriptions. Services like streaming platforms, productivity tools, or online memberships are often included in the eligible list. This means users get rewarded for routine monthly expenses, creating consistent savings over the long term. The bank also provides periodic seasonal reward boosts, especially during holidays, travel periods, or partner brand campaigns. Users who stay active with their Neon card can enjoy temporary higher rates, making big-ticket purchases more rewarding. Finally, Neon Bank users enjoy full control of their rewards. There are no redemption rules or expiration timelines. Cashback stays in your account and can be spent, transferred, or saved instantly. Neon Bank's cashback and rewards program remains one of the most straightforward and beneficial available, turning everyday transactions into continuous financial value with zero complications.